You been worrying me about getting the bike up here? I got it up here now. I'm gonna see what y'all gonna do.
So my dad just drove up for a good portion of the day from Savannah to bring his bike up here. But what he doesn't know is that he's gonna get this awesome ass paint job for his birthday. So let me hide this book. He doesn't know about this. So let me hide this book before he walks in. Here goes Big Larry. Big Larry, what's happening? He has to use the bathroom.
Shoes off.
So he's upstairs, he doesn't know what's about to happen. We can go to Zippers, drop his bike off, and we'll try to talk with Adam to get him to give some information about, you know, his options are for his bike. He has a 2013 Road King with a 103. And we're trying to see what options that they have for a 103 as far as bolt-on options to a stock bike. You know, he's not trying to race, he's just trying to have a nice, good, solid performing bike. So we'll see. Your glide all right, Big Larry?
Yeah, man.
You all right? That's right, all right. How you doing? How you doing?
Oh man.
Feeling all right?
I feel like dude.
So we're about to make this move to Elkridge. Big Larry,
Hold on.
the Road King.
Where
your phone?
I gotta charge it soon. What you finna do?
Here, I'm about to try to go to Waves.
Oh shucks. I just sat down Waves, man.
That's fine. Just go. Keep going. Just go.
Go?
Yeah.
Where you headed at?
Estimated time and traffic.
You headed up
8
there?
minutes.
Right down here?
Yeah.
1 hour later.
You been worrying me about getting the bike up here? I got it up here now. I'm gonna see what y'all gonna do. I'm just hoping it get finished up and I can get back, test it out and ride it.
Like I said, I think they got a new cam that they just released. Come on, please don't pull out.
It's gonna
In
be a lot
1,000 feet.
good throttle
Exit
response.
right.
Yeah.
Then keep left.
You got 2 pipes on your bike, right?
Yeah.
So I think they're working. I think what the goal is, work it out to put your 2 and the 1 on there.
I'm gonna take my house key off because I ain't nobody gonna come in the house.
Exit right to exit 6, US 1,
You gotta figure out where you
Washington
live at
Boulevard,
first.
Elmridge,
So you
Laurel.
gotta figure out where you live at
And turn
then
right
make
to
it down
US
there.
1 North, Washington Boulevard,
And if I'm gonna get
Elmridge.
shot then, I guarantee you. Believe it.
Use the right lane to turn right on Amberton Drive. In 900 feet, you'll arrive at Zippers Performance Products.
You gonna unload him? You gotta help me now. You got pissed man, that pissed up myself. I hope you ain't got that on video.
Oh yeah, it's on video.
Huh?
Yeah, it's on video.
Come on, man.
So we just made it to Zippers. We're waiting for somebody to come out to pick it up or let us in so we can drop the bike off. Let me walk down to this other door. Right quick. Hey, Dave.
What's up?
How's everything? So yeah, he doesn't know what's about to happen. You're gonna end up with a pretty badass bike. Don't look too bad at all. All right, see? ...2013 Road King. 103. I don't know what the stock specs on it, but that's basically what a lot of guys were riding prior to the Milwaukee 8 coming out. So, yeah. Stock 103 twin cam. Maybe like 66 something horses or something like that. 70, if that. Got his little tinted windshield. How many miles? No miles. Can't tell the mileage because it's not on. Yeah. So yeah, this is it. Stop. You got a reverse on here. You got a gold wing. You got
No damn go in here.
This ain't no gold wing.
Oh shit, the battery dead. Oh, I didn't click it on run. Excuse me.
It's your first bike.
This is my first bike.
Got it. That's your baby?
I got it up here.
So yeah, I get they'll these folks, these guys, they'll get it straight. Yeah. The main thing is they should get it up here.
Well, she's here.
All right. So they just took delivery of my dad's bike here at Zippers. This will probably be the last time it looks like this. Well, not probably, it will be. This is the last time that the bike will look like this. It's going to be completely tricked out, as in like paint job and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's going to be pretty badass once it's done.
Doctor, we're good? No injury. His eye is fine. Thank you very much. Come on, you can see. Thank you.
He had a hard time driving up here. Drove all the way up from Savannah to drop his bike off. He's knocked out.
I like to because I got pictures. Pockets on the outside.
So, have say chill, Grandpa.
Love you, buddy. All right.
All right, Dad. Be safe.
All right.
So I'm back to pick up my dad's bike. One last ride in this configuration, this build or whatever, in its stock form. Oh man, like I said, it's kind of weird that such a nice bike is going to be changed drastically. But you know, hey, it ain't too often that many people make it to 70 years old. So, like I said, this whole project is basically because my dad is turning 70. And, you know, I did a t-shirt for him when I was a kid, when he turned 40. He still has that t-shirt. So basically, he has a 30-year-old t-shirt that I airbrushed for him, painted for him, back when I was a kid, when I first learned how to airbrush. So 30 years later, the natural progression is, why don't I paint his motorcycle? So Finally convinced him to bring it up here so I can get hands on it, and take it all apart. Man, it's gonna be crazy.